Welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to clean your RAM. Okay, so you can see this is my RAM. I have already cleaned this RAM. So how you can clean your RAM if you're facing any issue related to your RAM. Okay, so basically when you remove your RAM you will see these are the data points. Okay, and when you remove your RAM, these all data points may be rusted, or you can say like due to iron rust. You will see there are so many, you can say like you will see like there are so many, you can say like dark spots on your RAM. So you need to remove all the dark spots from your RAM, and you will see my RAM is right now very clean, neat and clean. Okay, there is no dark, you can say like rusting, you can say like rusting part. Okay, so basically how you can do this task. Okay, so you need some, you can say like components. I want to show you. You can say like this is a thinner. You need a thinner, and a thinner basically a type of liquid, and which is used in, you can like painting and all. You need a thinner. Okay, and you also need a, you can like brush for cleaning, and you also need a sandpaper. Okay, first of all you need to apply some thinner on this area, on these points, and you can use a sandpaper. Okay, and you need to be very careful when you are applying sandpaper. Don't try to damage these all parts. Okay, you can see like these are all small capacitors, and you can like registers, so you need to be very careful. Don't try to, you can like hit these all, you can say like capacitors, and you can like registers. Okay, and when you completely remove all the rust from, you can say like your RAM, you need to again apply, you can say like thinner on this, you can say like RAM, and you can clean your, you can say like these data points by using this brush. Okay, and once all is complete, you need to you can like keep this RAM, you can directly in sunlight for approx 10 to 15 minutes, or you can say like 20 minutes. You can place it in directly sunlight, and that's it. Your RAM will clean, and you will get a very new and brand new RAM. Okay, and maybe you are getting some kind of error, so it will fix your all the errors. Okay, so this is the information how you can clean your RAM. Hopefully this video will helpful. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.